road, dummy.
I wasn't.
You were too. I just watched you. He's doing it for the camera, I swear.
Bro, Tiny just missed what he was doing.
Yeah, he was waiting for that, yeah, and he missed it. That's on him. You missed it. Somebody just burnt rubber down the...
I saw it. And I turned
I got a video of it.
You did? Yeah. Okay, end the video.
No. Video's barely even 50 seconds long.
Oh yeah, if you look at the exhaust pipe, if it's red and if it's different colors, it's aluminum.
Hot.
And that's not good.
It's kind of okay.
It makes
It's
it
just,
look
it's super hot. That's what it means. Like when it's different colors.
Super fast.
No, it just means it's
hot, but also
hot.
it can mess
Yo,
up
what?
the presence.
Wait, what if all full
That could get too hot, it would.
I don't believe that could happen because they're not street legal.
At some point, you don't even know which cars make
Yeah. Like, there's like 5 cars making noises. You think it's this truck, but it's actually the car down the road. I like that mic though. You have to be like this.
like it now. Oh, don't test my backwards.
That's because it's so much power. Go grab it. Oh my god. I'm dying, but it smells so good.
It does. Yo, that truck rips through here.
Hold on, I think all his flipping diesel.
But he got a Twix. Yo, I bet you.
Titan, you have to give me one.
Yeah, I give you the other one.
I have Twix. Yo, I bet you if you walk down here, you'll find like 600
There's
pieces of candy. Wait, which truck was it?
I don't know, it's down there. I don't know if he's turning back or not.
This is gonna be good.
Why does he? I told his dad, Dad, I need down this property real quick and
Maybe like
for
20.
you to touch with his parents.
But yeah, I got my phone on me, man.
He was going freaking trying to steal me. I know I'm gonna go on punch his thighs. And after all, there's like, if somebody comes over here with a dog and makes it loose, I'm throwing that kid's license to an outpost.
He did.
Jimmy is good at picking.
Yup.
Everything's bendy.
Yeah, I know. I
But
can
he
see
did
that.
that. Hey, here comes that truck
Cassie's
again.
mom.
I don't believe it was that one. I think it
Oh,
was
yeah.
a different one.
No, it was the truck with the white mud flaps.
I don't know. All I know is that it burnt rubber down the road. That's all I know.
Those lane rubber.
Yeah, as soon as this is over, I'm giving this truck.
That's if it's over, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, if
Well, it should, but
all just taking breaks.
I don't know anytime soon, though.
And then just go check with somebody, and then they go out and pick the trees. That's all they do.
I like that truck.
So in fact, this will go forever.
Hey,
They're not gonna burn rubber. That's too pretty of a truck. It's too pretty of a truck. They won't burn rubber.
I
They
can't
won't
wait.
burn it.
I can't wait until someone comes down and just keeps on going.
Told you.
That white person.
That's that one that did it first. The first car that did it. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, it was so confusing. Oh yeah.
He's finally back after 2 years. What time is it? It's 8:10. Yo,
28.
you guys trying to go sleep? Oh yeah, do you know how you said that you only play for an hour? It's like probably 5.
He's with us, so he can. Our mom can text him.
It's probably 4 hours.
Yo, we came over here at like 5.
No, I doubt that.
No, no, never mind. I think it's 7.
7:30. My mom just got here probably about 10 minutes after.
Maybe 20.
It's been about 15. So probably
Go to
about
the road.
7:30.
I think that's
Yo, look at that car.
I think that's it.
Oh no. Yeah, they're starting to pack up and stuff.
I believe.
Oh,
wouldn't
we'll go
blame
check
'em.
the bin.
But probably are because I don't see any more coming this way.
Yeah, there's still a whole thing. Yo, hey, let's walk down and see if we
The
can.
others is kind of leaving because they have to go get dinner and stuff.
No?
Look,
Yo, imagine riding your bike like Yo, I think that's. No, never mind. The truck is.
Domino's pizza, like,
Watch that mini truck come back and start burning rubber back down the road.
Yeah. Yo. Hey, next to you.
Oh, I didn't even see that one.
oh. I didn't see that one either.
I was like, hey, next to
Take
you.
your fat body's in the way.
No, I just didn't look.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, he killed it. What even is it?
I think it's a Honda. Of some sorts.
No, imagine Brian. There's someone coming down with like a Brian.
Yeah,
There's that
that's
truck.
awesome.
There's the truck. That burnt rubber all the way.
I don't. Maybe halfway. I don't think it was all
I
the
think
way.
that's the truck that took me.
It was.
No,
I saw freaking candy about it.
like, how did Sandy want that car?
That thing is right there.
More candy. I can't wait for that truck to come down.
Next thing I know, he was right here. Then we go right and then
Does candy and then does candy and then no, that guy laid big clear. I need a chocolate and Coke. Yo. Whoop, whoop, that's the sound of the police.
Oh.
no, super easy.
Ryan Skyline. Skylines.
Like GTRs.
GTRs? Why GTR?
Why not?
GTR?
What's wrong with them?
Oh, folks.
I thought you were stuck. I was like, no, you're ruining the view.
That was crazy.
Embarrassing.
Yeah.
There's some dominoes.
I got it on video too.
Yo!
Twin turbo?
Twin turbo and the exhaust pipe
on the back. I don't think he will.
If he does,
Now there's a cop right behind him.
if he does, the people in the back will be getting a roller coaster.
Yo!
Yeah, dude.
That's built different.
That's built
Literally.
different. Yeah, bro, I bet that's. Yo, dude.
Yo, why are so many coming down this road now?
Yeah,
What?
bro,
No.
what the heck? Yo.
They're joining in.
I guess.
Yo, 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 yo.
Because I know those ones didn't come
Let's
down.
get it, gang.
There she is.
Let's go, gang. Oh, dude. Yo, it's up.
It's not cool with it.
No, it reacted.
I got video of it.
Yeah, he got.
Of multiple cars doing it.
And throwing candy.
I bet he will.
Yo, there's a Twix. Yeah, and I got some 2 M&M's with paint on it.
That's because I'm watching y'all.
Okay, yeah, that truck. Alright, no, that truck's gonna burst some rubber. Yo, you can look at all that rubber. Okay, what's your like?
There's rubber built up. Yeah.
2. Why don't you go back to it?
I'm going to keep me there until the 4th of July, then bring it back.
We're probably not gonna be here for the 4th of July. We're
Probably
gonna
not.
go to San-
That's where it's at. That's where it's having. Then after that, I'm just going to be riding it back. The whole entire half an hour riding it back.
I want, bro, I really want that truck to come back. I literally hit my friend because my friend freaking put a bow in my hair. And I looked up and I was like,
Oh, Johnny came up here with his bike.
Yeah, I have video of it.
shoot him. And you have video of Hunter almost. He went up like this much.
Then Hunter was going like this over his head.
Yeah, he was trying to hit a wheelie, but he's a little too small.
I think if you're like this,
He's
I
not
don't
strong
think
enough
that's
yet.
Ian, do a wheelie on my bike.
Yeah, you have to lean back. You don't
Do a
forward.
wheelie on my bike so you can get it. If I do a wheelie on my bike,
You're going on your bike. I'm gonna
You probably would have fell
go
back.
backflip.
Back
do a wheelie on my
flip.
bike and you can pay and get a video of it.
Why?
That's it.
Oh,
No.
that's
Okay, Ian, go. He's gonna do a wheelie, Peyton.
Back and wait.
Okay,
Oh my God.
there's that truck, bro.
I know it was.
There's that truck. Okay. Burn rubber. Yo, look at those things. Those things are beast. Croc.
I think you dropped it.
Yeah, I know.
It needs to be our. It needs electric feel. It needs electric feel.
What me and my boyfriend do, we set this corner and sing.
Oh, he didn't do it.
I mean, he's trying.
He's trying.
He's trying.
Whippy right here. Bang, get the wheelie.
Shut up. I'm getting the cars.
Get the car real fast. He's gonna get the cars. You wait 1 second. A couple
No.
more minutes. As soon as we gotta leave, just do a wheelie. So there's no cool cars coming yet. So I think right here you're good.
Yeah, but then there's still could be cars coming back this
No,
way.
there's not.
You never know. They could be.
Kitten.
You don't need to.
Is that my button is not on to charge it.
We just got here like so long.
Yeah. Hey, what are you
Oh,
We're watching this.
You watching the cars?
76.
Hunter, half of these cars here can hardly even burn rubber. Oh my! It's the same. It's the truck again. It's a Mexicanized truck.
Yeah, but it's American driver. Yo, look at that. I can't wait until that thing starts leaking.
Grab it all, grab it all.
There's a flipping cord. Get off the road.
I got it all. You get one? Oh, no. Oh, no.
Can I see your phone?
Nah, she can test it.
Hunter, trade me that Kit Kat for these. I don't want. Give me the gun. I'm not eating these. I don't eat these. I can't. The peanuts inside. I can't eat
I'll give you
them.
half the Kit Kat.
Oh wait, these are peanut.
Yeah, that was
Peanut. I
peanut butter.
can't. Yeah, no, I can't. I can't eat the peanut.
More candy? Oh, okay.
Okay, good. Just really want my teeth. I can't. I'll give you half.
I don't got
Okay.
candy from strangers. What do you think I am?
Bro,
You
you
are?
are?
Yeah, you are. You act like one too.
I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I don't think.
Unless
I
you
mean,
have
you're fine.
rabies or something.
Wait, no, you're not supposed to take candy from strangers.
They threw it at us.
It's a person in the truck.
They didn't give it to us. They threw it at us, and it was on the ground. So no, we picked it up.
This is a parade.
They threw it for
You
people to pick up and eat.
Guys, look, probably put alcohol in it.
How would they do that? Or how would it? How would they do that? And why would they do that?
Why?
And then throw it to kids. Why would they do that? And then throw it to kids. Watch out.
Alcohol.
Titan, get out of the way.
What's wrong?
Dog!
Shut up.
Why does everyone have alcohol?
No, guys, you can open it. Emmett was in Emmett? My cousin Emmett. I think he was with Courtney's dad.
Somebody's burning rubber down there.
You see her bubble gum, bro.
That was
Did you not hear the wheels?
Oh, yeah.
Bruh.
Like freaking rubber being burned.
That's the sounds of tires spinning.
Yo, give me it.
Y'all hear the
Say an empty wrapper. I give to you. Here, here's my other gift.
Well, that's that minivan or van thingy.
Hey, would you take that car?
That one?
Nah.
Maybe.
What? Maybe. What car do you want?
I already have a note card.
Yeah, he got one.
What car do you have, man? Babe, what car do you have?
Huh?
What car do you have?
65 Ford Fairlane? That's also because they were also put up so they could drive or roll.
Oh, he got airbag. That's what
Well, obvious. How else is he gonna get the car to drag its back
there's
end?
like 6 more cars coming, new cars.
I literally just told you. I told you there was gonna be cars coming back. I got it as much as I could.
You thought about that?
No, I got it as much as I could because I'm sitting on the corner.
And he's on the bike.
Honestly, it's the exact reason.
Oh, there's little things down there.
Wait, I don't care. Titan.
Can't wait for that truck to come back.
If
It probably is.
Ah! Oh! Yeah!
fire. Fire.
That's a cool event.
Why are we standing over here now?
I've seen
Because
that.
you can.
Yo! Mercedes is a Fortnite car! It's...
That's a BMW, if I'm not wrong.
Maybe.
Sounds like one.
Could be.
Hey, look at this! Look at this!
Shut up.
There it is, Titan.
That's what this point was.
Look at the inside. No, that's a race car.
Yeah, that they can't have lights. They can only have one seat. The doors have to be welded shut. So does the hood. Some parts of the hood.
About
Alright, turn back around. Yeah, turn back around. I just said that.
I think that yours could be a racing car.
It probably is. That's why he probably has harnesses. That's why he has. They have harnesses in there. Driver has a harness on, and I'm pretty sure she does too.
Could be a jet car and it just doesn't have engine.
Yeah, you're right. It could be, but I don't believe it is. But I could be wrong.
I think it's because sometimes
Like I said, could be. I could be wrong.
I think they're turning around at the
Maverick.
memorial right there. Hi, Lola! Oh my god.
that is not my boyfriend. Girl, I'm not gay. He is.
Lesbian, first off.
How would you know? Okay.
Hunter!
I just